Hi, I'm Selena, a veteran educator and test prep expert with Study.com. I'm here to help you get ready for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam. In this quick session, we'll break down the key concepts in the knowledge of human anatomy and physiology, including body systems and organ functions. Let's get you confident and test ready. Let's dive in. Which is the largest and thickest of the four chambers of the heart? A, right atrium, B, left atrium, C, right ventricle, or D, left ventricle? A, right atrium is incorrect. This chamber just receives blood from the body. B, left atrium is incorrect. This chamber receives blood from the lungs and sends it to the left ventricle. C, right ventricle. This is incorrect. This one pumps blood to the lungs, which are nearby. The correct answer is D, left ventricle. A human heart has four chambers, and they are the two atria on the top and the two ventricles on the bottom. The left ventricle is the largest and thickest chamber because it is responsible for pumping the blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Where is amylase typically found in the digestive system? A, stomach, saliva, and pancreas. B, saliva only, C, pancreas only, or D, saliva and pancreas only? A, stomach, saliva, and pancreas. The stomach does not produce the amylase. B, saliva only. This leaves out the pancreas, which also produces the amylase. C, pancreas only. This ignores saliva, where digestion begins in the mouth. The correct answer is D, saliva and pancreas only. In the digestive system, amylase is found in saliva and the pancreas. Amylase is an enzyme that helps to digest carbohydrates. Which of the following is the beginning of the germinal period of prenatal development? A, differentiation, B, gastrulation, C, conception, or D, implantation? A, differentiation happens later when cells start taking on specific roles like becoming skin or brain cells. B, gastrulation occurs after implantation, when the embryo starts forming layers, not the start of the germinal period. D, implantation happens after conception. It is when the fertilized egg attaches to the uterus, but it is not the beginning. The correct answer is C, conception. Prenatal development is divided into three primary stages. The first stage is the germinal period. It starts from conception, which happens on the second week of pregnancy. Which of the following physiological adaptations can occur as a result of strength training? A, enhanced flexibility, B, reduced body fat percentage, C, improved cardiovascular endurance, or D, increased muscle strength and size? A, enhanced flexibility is incorrect. Flexibility improves with stretching, not strength training. B, reduced body fat percentage is incorrect. This can happen with strength training combined with diet and cardio. C, improved cardiovascular endurance. This is incorrect. This happens with exercises like running or swimming, not strength training. The correct answer is D, increased muscle strength and size. When you strength train, you create microscopic damage to the muscle fibers. The body repairs these damaged fibers by fusing them, which increases the mass and the size of the muscles. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions of the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Health K-12 019 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Health K-12 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.